Hey guys, this is Maya and you are on my channel Bookshot. If you are new on this channel, here I talk all about books, and if you are interested in books, make sure you stay tuned with Bookshot. Before we get into today's video, I would like to tell you something. Self-help books are those kind of books that you should pick up only when you feel like helping yourself. If you happen to read a self-help book when everything is going great in your life, you would probably end up saying that this book is just like any other book, it has nothing new to offer. In fact, self-help books doesn't have anything new to offer in the first place because the essence of life has been same throughout. It is just that you need different types of motivational doses at different point in your life. The success of a self-help book totally depends on how well that book is written and how much impact that can make in your life. So today I bring to you the review of a self-help book which is called Make It Right, the Experiential Guide to Making Most Out of Life, written by the author Shubh Das Gupta. Shubh Das Gupta is a person who has been into the writing field since last 10 years. He has been writing as a journalist, as a content manager, etc. Because of which the quality of writing in this book is very good. So I would like to appreciate this firstly, that this book has been very well written. Even though if it is his first book, he has done his job very well in this book. And when you read this book, you get a feeling that you are reading a book written by your friend who has similar kind of thoughts like you, or who has similar kind of problems like you. The author says that lockdown has been a great life changer for him. Last year when lockdown started and almost everyone's life came to a standstill, that was the time when the author wrote this book. We all know that 2020 has been a year of ups and downs, especially downs. And it was the year in which the words like quarantine and death became so common and started dominating people's daily conversations. Keeping in mind that the author wrote this book at that time, he begins his first chapter with the title, You Are Going to Die. And this title immediately grabs the reader's attention. He compares life to a battery which keeps draining and does not have the option to recharge. All we have in hand is some time, and it's very important that we realize that we have only limited time in this world and make this life more meaningful. So this book is all about making your life meaningful, making it right. Moving forward, the author tells us how much time we waste in our life today. In today's time, we have a lot of distractions in life, and these are those kind of distractions which were nowhere in picture a few years back. So he goes on telling us about the negative impact of growing technology on human lives, how much important it is for us to identify the quality of life we are living today, and how much important it is for us to live a mindful life in the middle of these distractions. The core idea of this book is all about looking within yourself and becoming a better version of yourself. Make It Right is all about self-discovery, finding purpose in life, processing your pain in life, and eventually leading that meaningful life. One thing that I liked very much in this book is that when the author says life is not all about hardships and sufferings, it is also about happiness. Now, happiness is a very underrated term in today's time. When people see someone very happy in their life, they will always come up with something to make that person feel guilty about living a happy life. So when the author says life is not all about sufferings and hardships, it is also about happiness, it gives us so much hope. Then the author tells us about how he found happiness in his life, how to bring that slow and steady progress in becoming a better person, how to rebuild your life for a bright future without complaining about anything and everything in life. Having said that, the author goes on writing about the complaining habit in people. Some people have this habit of complaining all the time. No matter how much good things happen in their life, they have something or the other to complain about. Then he goes on talking about the concept of regret. Regrets that people carry throughout their life. We couldn't do that, we couldn't do this, life would have been better if we did certain things certain way. These kind of thoughts that people carry throughout their life. And when you read this, you feel like you are reading some reflections of your own thoughts. So throughout this book, I felt like I was reading something that was going in my own mind, and it feels like the book came straight from the author's heart. There was no fancy attempt to teach you something. Okay, so there is much more in this book which I want you guys to explore on your own. I will be sharing a few insights from this book on my Instagram account. I will leave my handle somewhere here and also in the description box below. Do check it out so that you can decide whether this book is for you or not. And for those who are not on Instagram, I will share a few quotes on my community tab here on YouTube as well. So keep an eye there. And I will leave the link to purchase the book in the description box below. This book is available in paperback as well as in Kindle format. I read this book on my Kindle. Thanks to the author for sending me this book. And before you go, the author of this book, Shubh Dasgupta, also has a YouTube channel where he talks about the books he read. And these days, he is also doing some amazing author interviews on his channel. So do check out that as well. I will leave the link to everything in the description box below. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye bye.